Hey Masu, do you know what's the important thing in our life that makes us grow and thrive? Is it our studies? Well, yes, studies are important too. But I'm talking about something. Our food. It all starts with farming, doesn't it? Absolutely. The hard work of farmers gives us everything we need to survive from the rice. We eat vegetables we enjoy. Farming is the backbone of our society. Exactly. And today we have a very special performance by the talented Third Diamond students. They are going to take us through the journey of farmers with a beautiful mashup of two iconic songs, सुरू झाली या पेरण and काळी धरती.
सुरू झाली या पेरण, सुरू झाली या पेरण, सुरू झाली या पेरण.